My dear students, welcome to the Karnataka Learning Management System. Myself, Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani, Chikkaballapur District. In this video, I am presenting you BSc Mathematics Paper 2, Session 18, Problems on Angle of Intersection between two curves. By using alpha is equal to the difference between phi 1 and phi 2, that is denoted as alpha is equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. If this alpha value is equal to phi by 2, then the curves are said to be cut orthogonally. So, the condition for orthogonality of two curves is tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1. If the product of tan phi 1 and tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1, then the given curves cut orthogonally. If alpha is equal to 0, the curves touch each other. If tan phi 1 is equal to tan phi 2, then the two curves cut orthogonally. Now let us work out few problems. Problem 1. Find the angle of intersection of the curves r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Here the given curves are r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now let us differentiate these equations and find out tan phi 1 for the first curve and tan phi 2 for the second curve. So now differentiating the equation 1 with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Then tan phi 1 is equal to minus cot theta we will get, because tan phi 1 is equal to r into d theta by dr. So by using that relation, we find tan phi 1 which is equal to minus cot theta. Then tan phi 1 can be written as tan of phi by 2 plus theta minus cot theta is equal to tan phi by 2 plus theta. Then and phi 1 will be phi by 2 plus theta we will get. Now differentiate the second equation with respect to theta. We get dr by d theta is equal to a sin theta and tan phi 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. We use tan phi 2 is equal to r into d theta by dr. We get tan phi 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, because r value is a into 1 minus cos theta divided by a sin theta. Here a get cancels, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now by making use of the half angles, tan phi 2 will be equal to tan theta by 2, because 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 1 sin theta get cancels. Hence tan phi 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. Therefore we get phi 2 is equal to theta by 2. So we have phi 1 is equal to phi by 2 plus theta and phi 2 is equal to theta by 2. Now the difference between these two gives us the angle between the curves, that is alpha is equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. Alpha is equal to modulus of phi plus theta by 2. That means phi by 2 plus theta minus theta by 2. When we simplify, we get alpha is equal to modulus of phi plus theta by 2. Hence the result. We will work out next problem. Problem 2. Find the angle of intersection of the parabolas r is equal to a by 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to b by 1 minus cos theta. Solution. The given equations are r is equal to a by 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to b by 1 plus cos theta. Let us differentiate these two equations with respect to theta. We have to take log both sides. So by taking log to the first equation, we get log r is equal to log of a by 1 plus cos theta. When we expand this, we get log r is equal to log a minus log of 1 plus cos theta. Let us differentiate this equation with respect to theta. We get 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0 minus 1 by 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta. The derivative of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r dr by d theta, which is equal to derivative of log a is 0, derivative of minus log of 1 plus cos theta is minus 1 by 1 plus cos theta into derivative of 1 plus cos theta is minus sin theta. Hence, derivative of this equation is 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus into minus plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is nothing but cot theta by 2 by using half angles. So, r into d theta by dr is equal to cot theta by 2. Hence, this implies tan phi 1 is equal to cot theta by 2. By taking log to the second curve, log r is equal to log of b by 1 minus cos theta, that is log r is equal to log b minus log of 1 minus cos theta. By differentiating this with respect to theta, we get 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0 minus 1 by 1 minus cos theta into sin theta. So that is equal to r d theta by dr is equal to minus tan theta by 2. Hence, tan phi 2 is equal to minus tan theta by 2. We have tan phi 1 is equal to cot theta by 2, tan phi 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. Therefore, tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 we will consider, that is equal to minus cot theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. Tan phi 1 into phi 2 is equal to minus 1. Hence, these two curves cut orthogonally. Another problem we will work out. Find the angle of intersection of the parabolas r is equal to a theta and r is theta is equal to a. The solution. The given equations of the curves are r is equal to a theta and r theta is equal to a. So these two curves can be simplified by substituting one in the another one, and the point of intersection of the curves can be found by using that. So put r is equal to a theta in the above equation. So we get theta is equal to plus or minus 1. Calculate the a value when theta is equal to 1 and minus 1. So when theta is equal to 1, we get r is equal to a. Similarly, when theta is equal to minus 1, we get r is equal to minus a. Therefore, these two curves cut at 2 points, that is 1 comma a and minus 1 comma minus a. 2 points of intersection are a comma 1 and minus a comma 1. Now, the first equation r is equal to a theta. Now, differentiating this with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to a. Tan phi 1 is equal to r into d theta by dr we have. So, by substituting the value of r and d theta by dr in tan phi 1, we get tan phi 1 is equal to theta. Now, another equation r theta is equal to a. Now, differentiate this also with respect to theta, we get r plus theta into dr by d theta is equal to 0. Here, we made use of the product rule. The derivative of this equation with respect to theta means r you keep as it is, differentiate theta 1. So, r plus keep theta as it is, and derivative of r is dr by d theta, derivative of a is 0. So, the derivative of r theta is equal to a with respect to theta is r plus theta into dr by d theta. So, dr by d theta is equal to minus r by theta. Hence, dr by d theta is equal to minus a by theta by theta. So simplifying this, dr by d theta becomes minus a by theta square. Now we have tan phi 2 is equal to r into d theta by dr. Let us substitute r and d theta by dr values. We get tan phi 2 is equal to minus theta. Now see, we have tan phi 1 is equal to theta and tan phi 2 is equal to minus theta. Now let us find out the values at the points of intersection. At the point a comma 1, the tan phi 1 value is equal to 1 and tan phi 2 value is equal to minus 1. So the product tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1. This condition is the condition for orthogonality of the curves. Hence these two curves are orthogonal at the point a comma 1, means they intersect at 90 degree. Then let us take another point minus a minus 1. At this point tan phi 1 value is minus 1 and tan phi 2 value is minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. So the product of tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is minus 1, and even at this point also the two curves cut orthogonally. Thank you.